please give it a like, a comment, a share, and whatever that was. All right, honey, let's go. Bring that baby girl. We'll put her in the car seat. Hello, friends. Hello, all. Aloha eka ohana. Welcome back. First, do not ever shave close to your hairline because this is what will happen. So if you're watching this, hopefully this is a Tuesday that I get this up. Yesterday, Monday, actually today, I will have our first cleaning video up. I'm gonna try and make this like making the best of the last of 2021 because it's coming. So in my video that hopefully is up yesterday, in my case right now, today, we're just gonna be cleaning. We cleaned my closet yesterday.
Our closet.
Sorry, our closet. Well, I cleaned our closet and we got rid of a lot of clothes. They're gonna donate a lot of stuff and get as much as we can done and cleaned before the new year comes. And we have exactly 4 days to get as much as we can done. So yesterday, closet upstairs. We still have to deep clean our bathroom, the floors in the bathroom. Maybe we can do that tonight, later tonight. But today is gonna be the car. We're gonna clean the car today. We're gonna do that right now and we're gonna do it together. Oh, the garage is already open. Yeah, we'll just put her in the car seat. So we'll take this out. Deep clean the car, take out trash. We're gonna vacuum. We're gonna do all the things. Here. We're gonna do that. So let's get to the car, shall we? Yeah. Holy crap, that thing is loud. What is that?
Grandma Stella.
Oh, kid, that's cute. Look at this thing. When was the last time we fully cleaned this stuff? All kinds of stuff in here. Hi, baby. Hi. All right, got stuff to do, honey. All right, update. Got the baby carrier out. Kane is on a phone call and I'm out here to do the work by myself. So far, cleaned out everything. All the doors are cleaned out. All the trash underneath the seats. Those 2 mini carpets have to come out. Everything from those pockets and the doors came out. And the trunk is cleared. There's still stuff on this headboard or whatever that's called that needs to come out too. All that stuff up in there. Yeah, that gotta come out. We got some stuff in the middle compartment there that has to come out too. And then the small carpets in the front there. Yep, that's gonna do the hard work and vacuum since Mama did most of the throwing out and cleaning. That car seat base has to come out too and be cleaned. Yes, ma'am. Why are you crying? Did you make doo-doo? Let's go see what you did. Let's pick back up where we left off. Honey just finished vacuuming in the car. Took out the car seat base. And then this is pretty much all the stuff that we had in the car. And all of it is out. You gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. But just go through it, trash some stuff, take whatever I can in the house. I'm trying to keep as little as possible in the car, especially in the trunk. Progress so far. Alright, everything is pretty much clear from here. Everything just moved inside the house. There's nothing in the car now though. And the only things that are in the trunk are the towels that go here for the floor and then a pair of silk pajamas that I have to return to Target. And that's it. And then Kane put the base of the car seat in the middle now. It used to be behind him, but I just wanted to try it out, it being in the middle. It takes up a lot of the back seat, so that's why we put it to one side, but she's not gonna be in the Duno for very much longer. She's getting big. And she's super tired, she didn't nap. Kane's over here scrubbing the mats, and then all of that is gonna come inside. And that concludes the car cleaning for today. The last Monday of 2020. Okay, let's go inside. Mama is hot, and so is baby. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so let me just show you where everything in the car was. It's in here now. On the table, on the counter. A lot of it is in, oh, flies here. A lot of it is on the bed, but all of it is gonna get put away in their respectful rightful places. Oh, mama, I'm sweating. My hair is wangas and baby is tired. She hasn't napped at all today. But guys, I think that concludes today's cleaning video. Tomorrow's task is this room. This is getting out of hand. This is too much. And maybe even putting away what came out of the car into their places tomorrow too. Because I'm pooped. I am so pooped. I'm sweating. I still have a lot more to edit on today's video, so I gotta get to that. But thank you so much for joining me. I hope this motivates you to start cleaning or get something together before the new year starts. Woo, honey. Sweating. I'm not saying that it's going to be clean forever and it's going to stay like this. It'll probably get messy by tonight, but this is just a jump start into the new year, just going into 2020 a little bit put together as much as we can be. Thank you guys so much for joining. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I hope you guys today's car cleaning video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share with your ohana, encourage your ohana to get a little bit of stuff together before the new year. But guys, mahalo nui for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Mahalo kia hui ana. If I don't see you in tomorrow's video, then I'll hopefully see you in the next video or the next video. And I hope you have a blessed 2021. I know you are. I am confident that you are. And yeah, I'll see you very soon. We ho. We ho. All right, hi, it's the next day. I had planned to show you guys the clean, empty car, but it is not empty anymore. But in my defense, we are packing up all of the cardboard boxes that we've accumulated since being moved in. That was a couple boxes that baby's gift came in. That was a TV box, all of that stuff in there. That was the box for our mattress, so kind of shoved it all in there. But this stuff we have to take. I mean, we could just wait, but I want it out. I want it gone. I want it out. I can't wait. It needs to be gone. So yeah, the cart is filled back up again, but it's still clean. Nothing else went in here. We haven't even been in the car since we cleaned it yesterday. And then as for the trunk, this is where we're at. Just the boxes. That bag is just full of reusable shopping bags, a pajama set that I have to return to Target, and the towels for the front. Cool. Also, I know today's video, or yesterday's video in my case, is very short, but I think I'm gonna be okay with that. Maybe shorter videos are better for you guys to watch, easier for you guys to watch. It's only maybe less than 10 minutes long. I don't know if longer videos, you guys can't watch them all the way through because you just lose interest, or you're busy, you live normal lives, hello, and that is totally understandable. But if it does lose your interest, maybe halfway through or a few minutes through, let me know. I will make changes so that you guys stay interested and you guys do watch videos all the way through. Or, you know, if it's better for you to watch at a certain time when I upload, but then again, my videos are always available, so you can watch them whenever you want. I think it's just me reminding you guys that I have videos to watch, but that's on my part to improve. But I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if I didn't say it before, please give it a like, a comment, a share. And whatever that was. This girl is just an opihi right now. I mean, she's just like, can't put her down for more than 5 minutes. But it's okay. It's okay. That's helping me to enjoy it and not be so stuck in my routine. Anyway, love y'all. Hope you're having a good day. And I hope I see you tomorrow.